Assessing ramp slope with the ADA slope block. The ADA/ABA guidelines specify that accessible ramps and curb cuts may have a slope no greater than 1 in 12, or 1 inch of drop for each 12 inches, 1 foot, of run. While this is a number that is fairly easy to remember, it is difficult to visualize for most people. How should you assess whether a ramp or curb cut meets the standard or whether it is too steep? This is a simulated ramp with a slope of 1 in 12. As you can see, the allowable slope is not very steep, but how can you determine if it is within the acceptable range? The ADA CAT Magic Slope Block provides an easy way to assess the slopes of ramps and curb cuts, as well as other ADA-mandated slopes. To assess the slope of a ramp or curb cut, place the Magic Slope Block at least 2 feet from the top of the ramp, with the arrows indicating 1 in 12 vertical. Next, place the 24-inch spirit level on the ramp extending up the slope of the ramp from the slope block, with the end of the level resting on the upper surface of the slope block. The level should be placed so that the very end and no more of the level is on the block. If the level extends too far over the block, it will pass ramps that are too steep. It does not matter which edge of the level is uppermost, but one edge does have a window that makes reading the level from above easier. Once the block and level are in place, examine the bubble in the middle window of the level. If the bubble lies between the two lines etched on the glass tube, the ramp is within measurement error of a 1 in 12 slope and meets the ADA requirement. If the bubble is toward the Magic Slope Block in its tube, the slope is less than 1 in 12, and the ramp is also within the ADA requirements. However, if the bubble floats away from the Magic Slope Block, with any portion extending beyond the etched line, the slope is greater than 1 in 12, and the ramp is too steep. Note that we are not concerned with what the slope of the ramp actually is. We are only concerned that the slope is not steeper than 1 in 12.